Good day, dear students. I am Mrs. Sylvia Naveed, your maths teacher of class 4. Welcome to the second part of Factors and Multiples, Divisibility Tests Part 2, page 27, 26, 27 and 28. Students, in Part 1, we have learnt that a divisibility test is a quick way of testing if a given number is divisible by an other number without doing the division. In Part 1, we have learnt about the rule number 1, 2 and 3 of divisibility tests, which were: every number is divisible by 1. Rule number 2, a number is divisible by 2 if one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And the rule number 3 was: add the digits if the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Here, students, in this lesson we will learn about rule number 4 and 5 of divisibility tests, which are: a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. And rule number 5 is: a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Students, to understand the concept clearly, watch the video of this lesson, which is video part 2. In it, the rule number 4 and 5 are described practically. Now, students, we will divide the numbers. For example, 14,673 and 3,360 divided by 5. The same procedure you will follow. You will divide these numbers with 5, 1, 4, 6, 7, 3. 5 is here. You will count this number in the table of 5, 14. 5 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20. 20 is greater than 5, so we will remove 5 and the 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10, 2 is a 10, minus these numbers, 6 will come down to become 46, 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45, minus it. Bring this 7 down with 1. This has become 17. 5 3 is a 15. 5 3 is a 15. 5 4 is a. So 5 1 is a 5. 5 2 is a 10. 5 3 is a 15. Minus 2 will come here. 2 is lesser than 5. We will bring this 3 down. 23. 5 4 is a 20. 3 will come here. And what is our remainder? Our remainder is 3. We will divide this number again with 5. 5 1 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, 5 6 is a 30, minus 1 comes here, 3, 5 1 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 2 is a 10, 5 sevens are 5 6 are 5 6 are 5 sevens are 35. 1. Okay, this 0 will come down. 5 twos are 10. Remainder is 0. So what do we get from this? Rule number 4 is that a number divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. So you see, students, when the last number of this digit is 5 or 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. See, the last number of this whole digit is 0, that is even number, so this number is divisible by 5, but the last number of this number is not 0 or 5, so this is not divisible by 5. Okay, this is the fourth rule. Divide 24,563 and 16,230 divisible by 10 divided by 10. We will divide both of these numbers with 10. 10 to the 20. 4 comes here. Now this 5 will come down. 45. 10 4s are 40. 5 comes here. 10 5s are 50. Hope students you are observing me very carefully how I am solving these numbers. Ten 6s are 60. Remainder 10 1s are 10. 6 2. 10 6s are 60. 2. This will come here. This 3 will come here. 23. 10 2s are 20. 3. Then this 0 will come here. 10 3s are 30. 0 remainder, students. In the next rule, the number which has the last number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. If the last number is 0, then it would be divisible by 10. See, there is no remainder. So the last rule is, fifth rule is, a number is divisible by 10 if last digit is 0. So students, these are the 5 rules that you have to learn very carefully. These rules are given in your books also. You can see the yellow portions in your book, page number 25. First rule, every number is divisible by 1. Second rule, a number is divisible by 2 if one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Third rule is, add the digits. If the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Fourth rule, a number divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. And the next rule is a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. I hope students you understand all the rules clearly. Now you have to do the homework, and the homework is page number 28, question number 6, that is check the divisibility of following numbers by 2, 3, 5 and 10. Some numbers are given over here. Number 405, 3354, 2340, 41,220, 34,329. You have to divide all these numbers separately, first with 2, after that 3, with 5 and with 10. And you will write all the numbers that are they divisible with these numbers or not. You have to do this homework, students. And after doing the homework, what you have to do? All of you are requested to solve your homework on or activity in your math copy. When you resume your classes, students, marks will be given on the basis of homework or activities you have done in your copies. In end, I wish you all the good health. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.